Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem gift card code on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to redeem a code, you need to visit Roblox website because you won't be able to redeem it on Roblox application. I'm going to go to my Google Chrome and then I'm going to visit roblox.com/home. Okay, and hold on. And after that guys, you're going to click on this Roblox icon and you will find menu to redeem Roblox codes. Okay, just tap on that and you can enter your code here. You can enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code. And then you can click on this checkbox and then click on redeem. And yeah, that's so simple. But you need to open up the Roblox website to redeem your gift card code. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem gift card code on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.